right, now that we've been spending a lot of time with steps and skips, we are going to translate the language. So, steps and skips are kind of like a simple shorthand, but there's actual technical terms that we use in music to identify what they actually mean. So, a second is the same thing as a step. And we call it an interval of a second because there's only two notes involved in the entire movement. Whereas a skip, where we're leaping between notes, we would call this in particular a third because there's three notes involved in this distance. You have the two notes that you're playing and the one in between, 1, 2, 3. So a second is a step, and a third is a skip. So I want to take the leap now. We've been already practicing steps and skips, but now I'm going to play just two notes at a time, and I want you to identify if it's a second or a third, just to start getting a little bit comfortable with that language. We're going to be working with these types of intervals and a few extras besides, much more throughout these 30 days. So getting comfortable with like that kind of official terminology, I think, is an important, pardon the pun, step. Okay, so here we go, seconds or thirds. And you can practice directionality with this as well, just like we've been doing. So I'm either going to do a second or a third going up or going down. So you can feel free to, if you think it's going to be hard enough for you to do seconds or thirds on their own, don't worry about directionality. But if you're up for it, try to identify both components. If it's a second or a third going up, or if it's a second or third going down. Let's begin. That is a third going up. That is a second going down. That is a second going up. That is a third going down. That is a third going down. That is a third going up. That is a second going up. That is a second going down. That's a third going down. That's a third going up. That's a second going up. That's a second going down. That's a third going down. Two more. That's a second going up. That's a second going down.